Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Krisa Versa. I'm from Faculty of Teacher Education Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta and I'm from Indonesia. I want to present my published article with the title Educandi Media as an Infor to strengthen basic vocabulary mastery of first grade elementary school students. Next, upper view. Introduction, relevant research purpose, research methods, research process, result, discussion, and the last conclusion. Next, introduction. Language is the main tool in human communication that allow individuals to express thoughts, feelings, and ideas clearly. Language proficiency, especially in the form of vocabulary, is very important in the development of communication, reading, writing, and critical thinking skill. For first grade elementary school students, basic vocabulary mastery is the main foundation in learning because it helps them understand subject better, interact with the environment, and develop literacy skill from an early age. Next, however, many first grade students still have difficulty in mastering basic vocabulary, which has an impact on their limitation in understanding text and communicating effectively. Factors such as lack of reading habits, limit use of interesting learning media, and minimal interaction with rich language can slow down their vocabulary development. To overcome this problem, innovative solutions are needed. They are in accordance with children's learning characteristics, on of which is the use of interactive digital media such as Educandi, which offer a fun and effective learning experience in improving vocabulary mastery. Next, relevant research. Research by Marisa et al., Ulya, and Sons show that the use of digital technology, especially educational games such as Educandi, can increase learning motivation, student engagement, and the effectiveness of language learning. This feeding support and interactive game-based learning is able to enrich student learning experience in a more interesting, innovative, and technologically appropriate way. Okay, number one, Maritza et al. The result of the study show that the use of technology, including interactive media such as educational games, can assist. Okay, next, number two, Ulia. Educandi is considered effective because it has various game features such as matching pairs, word search, and crossword, which last Sun et al. It was found that digital game-based learning was able to encourage learning motivation, student engagement, and overall learning outcomes. Next, the purpose. This study aims to analyze effort vocabulary mastery of one elementary school student and identify the role of Educandi as an interactive digital media in improving their understanding and motivation to learn. Okay, next, the research method. The reveal the to reveal the effectiveness of Educandi in improving the basic vocabulary mastery of grade 1 elementary school student. This study uses a qualitative descriptive method with systematic data collection and analysis stage. Qualitative descriptive approach. This study uses a qualitative method with a descriptive approach to analyze in the phenomena related to the use of educandi in vocabulary learning from grade 1 elementary school student. Data collection techniques. Data were collected through interviews with teachers and students, direct observation of the use of Educandi in the classroom, as well as documentation and questionnaires to evaluate the effectiveness of the media in improving vocabulary mastery. Let's see Gmail model data analysis. Data was analyzed through four stages: data collection, data reduction, data presentation in the form of diagrams and graphs, and drawing conclusion regarding the impact of Educandi is basic vocabulary learning. Okay, next, research process. To understand how Educandi plays a role in improving vocabulary mastery of grade 1 elementary school student, this study was conducted through a series of systematic processes that include initial observation, media implementation, evaluative data collection, and analysis and drawing conclusion. Okay, number one, initial observation. Assessing the level of vocabulary mastery of grade 1 elementary school teacher before using Educandi through interviews, classroom observation, and documentation. Okay, number two, Educandi implementation. Implementing Educandi media is learning with various interactive game features to help students understand memorize vocabulary. Okay, number three, evaluative data collection. Using questionnaires and interview with student and teacher to determine change in motivation and vocabulary understanding after using Educandi. Okay, the last, analysis and drawing conclusion. Analyze data based on the Lexi Moleong model with stage of reduction, presenting data in the form of gaps or diagrams, and drawing conclusion regarding the effectiveness of Educandi in learning. Next, what is Educandi that helps students learn in a more interactive and fun way? Educandi digital base can be accessed via website, and then main features quiz, increase student engagement learning through play. The last suitable for language learning helps students understand and remember vocabulary more easily. Okay, next, result and discussion. Most mastered. 73% or 29 of student vocabulary consists of nouns. Nouns are easier to understand because they refer to concrete objects student encounter daily, for example, child, book, and teacher. Okay, number two, verb vocabulary is moderate. 17% or 126 of student vocabulary consists of verb. Nah, verb require students to understand action and their use segi in context, making them slightly harder to master. Okay, number three, adjective vocabulary is the less mastered. 10% or 17 words of student vocabulary consists of adjective. Adjectives are more abstract and require an understanding of descriptive comparison, making them harder for your learners. Early stage language development phases. Students naturally learn nouns first, followed by verb, and finally adjective. The pattern is consistent with previous research, which show that children first acquire tangible, everyday word before abstract description. Okay, discussion. Students need more exposure to verbs and objectives to balance the vocabulary mastery. Using Educandy and story-based learning could help increase verb and adjective retention through interactive methods. Okay, next results and discussion. Basic words are the most mastered. 35% student vocabulary consists of basic words. Basic words, for example, eat, table, sleep, are simple, frequently used, and easier for students to remember. Next, repeated words are moderately mastered. 30% of student vocabulary consists. Butterfly and stars are common, but their structure requires recognition of repetition patterns. Okay, next, compound words are the less mastered. 15% of student vocabulary consists of compound words. Words like sunlight and parents involving combining meaning of early learners. Words students learn basic word first, followed by repeat words and headness. This allows with language acquisition. Students grab similar structure before mastering more complex forms. Okay, discussion. More exposure to affix and compound word is needed to enhance education and storytelling can help reinforce this word structure even general words and then of student vocabulary consists of general words like function, making them easier non-standard words as moderately mastered. 28% of student vocabulary consists of non-standard words. Words like dapat are not good and ngapain to what is being done are frequently used in formal conversation influencing student language habit. Next, standard words are less mastered. 22% of student vocabulary consists of standard words. Formal words, for example, permit and diploma, are less familiar to students due to their limited exposure in daily interaction. Okay, next, special words are less mastered. Only 6% of student vocabulary consists of special words. This word, for example, drizzle for water, salty for taste, requires specific contact and are rarely used is everyday conversation. Okay, discussion. Students that need more exposure to standard and especially word to improve their overall language proficiency. Then teacher and integrate storytelling, interactive games, and structured discussion to help students use formal and special vocabulary more effectively. Okay, next, result. Number one, understanding of vocabulary meaning majority improve. 56% of students, 9 out of 16 are very good and good. 25% of students are 4 out of 16 are quite good. Next, 90% of students or 3 out of 16 still has problems. Okay, next, the use of vocabulary in a sentence. There are still obstacles in grammar. 16 of the students, 11 out of 16 are good and very good. 19% of students or 3 out of 16 are sufficient. 12 of students are girls. Next, vocabulary comprehension with picture, very effective. 81% of students are 13 good and good. 19 of students or 3 other percent of students have difficult. Next, active involvement in learning. Most students are interested. Students are 10 out of 16 are very good and good. Students 5 out of 6% are less active. Active engagement in education use. Most students are actively engaged. 62% of students or 10 out of 6 are very good and good. 31% of students, 5 out of 16 are sufficient. And then 6% percent of students or 1 out of 16 are less active. Next, vocabulary improvement after using Educandi. Significant improvement. 75 student, 70% of students are 12 out of 60, 16 showed significant vocabulary improvement. 19% of students or 3 out of 16 had slight improvement. 6% of students, 1 out of 16 saw to significant change. Next, language skill. Most students improve their language abilities. 56% students or 9 out of 16 are very good and good. 31 of students or 5 out of 16 are such fluent. Next, 6 of students or 1 out of 16 still struggle with the language skill. Next, discipline and motivation to learn. Student becomes more disciplined and motivated. 69% of students, 12 of out 16 are very good and good. 25% of students are 4 out of 16 are sufficient. 16 of students or 1 out of 16 are less motivated. Collaboration skill in education use encourage teamwork and cooperation. 69% out of 16 are very good and good. 19 of students or 3 out of 16 are sufficient. Then 12% of students or 2 out of 16 still have difficult collaborating. Educandi as an interactive learning media has been proven to help students enrich to understand why. Key result before versus after. Vocabulary Educandi, many students had difficult recognizing and understanding the meaning of new words. After using Educandi, improvement in remembering and understanding vocabulary. Students are more active and motivated. Students are more enthusiastic in following learn compared to conventional methods. The game feature in on student regarding pay. To measure to the effectiveness of using EduCandy in vocabulary learning, a survey was conducted on students regarding their level of satisfaction. The result of the survey saw how students respond to this game-based learning method. 26 of students are very satisfied, considering EduCandy very effective and enjoyable. 5% of students are quite satisfied, feel the media is helpful, but there is room for improvement. 26 of students 26% of students feel quite good, not too satisfied, but still enjoy learning. Next, 8% of students are less satisfied, might have okay this discussion. The majority of students enjoy this method and find learning more interesting than conventional methods. Okay, next, teacher satisfaction survey on education. Educandy. Sure, Educandy is considering the quality of student learning. Here are the main points agreed upon by teacher. Have encouraged the student interesting in the learning, facilitates understanding of material, providing a very variety of fun learning, and then encourage of teacher engagement of the use of education. All teachers gave a score of agree on the effectiveness of this media. Okay, the last conclusion. Based on the research result, learning medium saw a positive impact on the vocabulary mastery of grade 1 elementary school student. Case summary, improve vocabulary mastery, student find it is more interactive and fun learning. You can best method make student more motivated. Then positive support for student and more active in learning. Next, suggestion for developing adjusting border materials can be applied in more schools to increase the effectiveness to language learning. The last, training of teacher to be able to integrate education more optimally into teaching methods. Okay, thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.